What up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you, man. Man, I'm picking up Khrome from Black Gold Harley Davidson. We just got the bike dyno and we finna get on the road. Boy, listen to that cold start. Oh my gosh. Listen to that cold start, baby. Woo! Oh my God, did y'all hear that rumble? I'm about to tell y'all the dyno numbers I got on this baby. But we are finna hit it and get up out of here, baby. Yes, sir. I picked up more horsepower on this baby. My torque stayed about the same, but I picked up a little bit more horsepower, baby. Woo, that boy sounds snappier too. A good tune will always help you out, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly V coming at you with another video, y'all. Hey, I just want to come on here and thank all the new subscribers for coming on and subscribing to the channel. Man, y'all stick with your boy because your boy got some rides coming up this year, starting out with Daytona 2024. Yes, we will be down there again for the second year down in Daytona, kicking it down there with everybody. Whoever walk up to me, make sure you walk up to me and speak. If you see me, if you know who I am, hey, that would be greatly appreciated, man, just to know that I'm getting the support from the people, man. But we come on here today, y'all, because we just got the bike dyno on Thursday, y'all. We got Khrome dyno on Thursday, and we got some decent numbers out of it. I think they're decent, y'all. For me, for the way I ride, yeah, I could have did more things to the motor to get probably in the 150s, 155, somewhere around there. I could have changed the injectors, the manifold, the intake, you know, stuff like that, but I didn't, y'all. I just stayed with what I know right now. Maybe later on we might get into that, but man, I'm finna enjoy this bike. You know, I just put the 2-in-1 Khrome Werks system on the bike, the Outlaw, with the reducer in it and a turbine tip on it. And this bike looks good. Hey, I just got the Ultra Cool on there because some of y'all been messing with me about getting my Ultra Cool put on the bike. The Ultra Cool is on. Hey, you can definitely do this yourself and get this Ultra Cool on your bike. It's an easy process. Hey, I'm just waiting to see what this baby will do, how cool it would keep the bike, especially in this Daytona heat. I have that, and I have the oil cooler, Harley Davidson oil cooler as well on the bike. So yeah, and we got new tires. You see that tire over there in the corner. We got new tires gonna go on here. I'm gonna get the rear tire redone, and I'm gonna replace my brake pads as well. I do a lot of preloading. Some people don't understand it. They kind of talk about me on TikTok about, man, you're gonna burn your clutch up, but when you don't know nothing about preloading, that's the first thing you'll say. But man, I want to show y'all the numbers, y'all. We got the numbers right here when we got the bike re-dynoed. As you can see in the red right here, that is without the reducer. You see the big drop without the reducer. It's a big drop. And with that in the red, we getting it was getting 134.26 horsepower. 153.64 torque, so it was doing real well in the torque side. But just a few pounds of torque you won't be able to tell, but what we put the reducer in there because I wanted the reducer, so we did get in the 140 range. You see, we got 140 55 on the horsepower, and we got 150 23 on the torque side, and I'm happy with those numbers, y'all. So yeah, those are some great numbers that I'm happy about. Yeah, if I wanted to do more things, I could do more things to get more horsepower, but hey, I'm cool with that. For what I got, I'm just glad I built my bike so I can travel cross country. That's what I do. I travel cross country. I'm not a racer. I'm admitting that right now. I am not a racer. But if you pull up on side of me, you might can get some. I'm just gonna tell you that. But no, man. But y'all, that's gonna be it for the video today. I just really want to come on here and give you the numbers and tell you that you can't go wrong with the 2-in-1 Khrome Werks Outlaw system over there. You cannot go wrong. You know I was rocking the Khrome Werks 2-in-2, and it was making great numbers as well. It was like 136 horse and 151 torque side. But yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all, man. I really appreciate everybody, man. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy. Tell somebody about the channel. The channel is growing slowly but surely. It's getting to where I guess I wanted to get, man. But you know, God got me right where He want me to be right now. So I'm happy and I'm satisfied with that. But yeah, if you're looking to get a great exhaust, check out Khrome Werks. And y'all, I'm just happy, and I want y'all to, I'm gonna do a walk around the bike. And I am gonna tell y'all a few things that I've done to the bike. I've done quite a bit to the bike. So yeah, we're gonna get that on the next video. But y'all, that's gonna be it. Till next time, baby. The next grind, baby. Y'all stay safe. I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out. Peace.